Welcome back. It's now time for the Midday Sports Report.
Two-time world champion Daniel Williams had to settle for 7th in the women's 100-meter final as Day 4 of the World Athletics Championships came to a close in Tokyo. The event was won by tvjmiddaysports of Switzerland, getting a new national record at 12.24 seconds.
And they're way cleanly, that's a fantastic news for this field. Grace Stark to the first hurdle. Danielle Williams hit the second hard. Grace Stark still moving well. Masai Russell hitting hurdles as well. Toby Amazan going well, but look at Dataji Kambuchi in lane 3. The Swiss athlete steals it.
Williams explained where she believes it went wrong.
I ran into a little bit difficulty at hurdle 2 and that kind of took me out of the race and tried to run back in, and that's it. It's hurdles, you have to run a clean race to be in the money, and I didn't do that today. I mean, obviously they're going to be a bit disappointed. Everybody coming here with a goal to win a medal. So yeah, definitely a bit disappointed, but you know, give God thanks just the same. Only 3 people can come away with a medal, and so I'm grateful that I was able to come out here and give my best performance, regardless of what that looked like today.
NACAC champion Nikolai Williams and 2019 world champion Tajay Gale have advanced to the final of the men's long jump. Gale cut the sand at 8.28 meters, which was the furthest in qualifying of the two groups, while Williams leapt to 8.15 meters. National champion Kerry McLeod with a jump of 7.86 meters did not progress. National champion and under-20 record holder Rashawn Clark made it through as a non-automatic qualifier in the men's 400-meter hurdles. Clark clocked to 48.83 seconds for 5th in Heat 4. Malik James King was 4th in Heat 1 in 48.27 seconds and earned progression. Asina Wilson did not make it through. National champion Orlando Bennett has made progression to the men's 110-meter hurdles semifinals. Bennett clocked to 13.20 seconds to win Heat 3 for the second fastest time overall.
First of all, I always give God thanks. Came out here, not saying that I'm always cool and composed, but small set of nerves. Just got over them for the first round, and tomorrow we'll come to work.
Tyler Mason leads the qualifiers, winning Heat 5, defeating world champion Grant Holloway with a time of 13.17 seconds.
It's all about getting through the round, so that's just the aim and that's the goal right now.
Demario Prince placed 4th in his heat in 13.31 seconds. And finally, Jamaica secured gold and silver for the first time ever in the men's 100 meters at the World Championships as Oblique Seville and Kishane Thompson took down American Noah Lyles on Sunday. Seville ran a personal best at 9.77 seconds to secure his first global title ahead of Thompson at 9.82 and Lyles at 9.89 for bronze. There was also joy for Jamaica in the women's equivalent as Tina Clayton in her first ever championship secured silver, running a personal best at 10.76 seconds behind American Melissa Jefferson Wooden. St. Lucian Julian Alfred finished in 3rd. I'm Christopher Scott and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Sandy Williams. Join us again at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.